Today we are covering ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist Risk and Compliance CIS-RC. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you are working with your customer to determine necessary audit management workflow configurations. What should they know about the approval process for audit engagements? Choose three options. Option A. If the engagement is approved and there are remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the follow-up state. Option B. If the engagement is approved and there are no remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the closed state. Option C. If the engagement is rejected, it automatically moves back to the fieldwork state. Option D. If the engagement is approved and there are remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the fieldwork state. Option E. If the engagement is rejected, it automatically moves into the scope state. Correct answer is option A, B, and option C. Next question is, which GRC application would you use to manage internal or external consultancy processes that aim to prove the effectiveness of controls? Option A. Audit management. Option B. Risk management. Option C. Vendor risk management. Option D. Policy and compliance management. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, what are the risk scoring methods available in ServiceNow? Choose two options. Option A. Quantitative. Option B. Qualitative. Option C. Inherent. Option D. Residual. Option E. Calculated. Correct answer is option A and option B. Next question is, the risk thresholds in the risk criteria matrix default values do not line up with the company needs. What should you do? Option A. Configure the risk criteria in ServiceNow. Option B. Identify risks that will benefit from the default values. Option C. Demonstrate risk scoring scenarios using the default values. Option D. Use the default values to determine new company approach. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, who can move a policy into review? Choose two options. Option A. Sysadmin. Option B. Policy approver. Option C. Policy reviewer. Option D. Policy owner. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, the citation table is a child table of which parent? Option A. Content. Option B. Authority document. Option C. Item. Option D. Document. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, control failures factor represents the impact of control failures on what score? Option A. Inherent. Option B. Residual. Option C. Total. Option D. Calculated. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, which one of the following is not a trigger for issue creation? Option A. Manual issue created by any manager or admin role as well as by audit user. Option B. Indicator failure. Option C. Risk assessment returns the inherent and residual risk impact as very high. Option D. attestation returns the result as not implemented. Option E. Control effectiveness is ineffective and the state of control test is closed complete. Correct answer is option C. Next question is GRC options in interactive filters are only available through which feature? Option A. GRC filtering. Option B. Metrics reporting. Option C. Performance analytics. Option D. Trending analytics. Correct answer is option C. Next question is in which state can reviewers either send the policy back to draft or forward it by requesting approval? Option A. Retired. Option B. Published. Option C. Awaiting approval. Option D. Review. Correct answer is option D.